Claude AI just changed graphic design forever. At this point, I'm going to tell you that you don't really need a graphic design for any kind of graphic work again, because take a look at this design. This is not just, or take a look at this, and also take a look at this, and look at this logo. Like all this logo and flyer that you just saw, I created everything using AI. And with the help of Cloud AI, you can literally get any prompt that you want to use to create any design in minutes. And guess what? You don't even need any skill in graphic design before you be able to do this. All you need is to know how to structure your prompt, which I'm going to be taking my time step by step and show you how to write a well-structured prompt to create any type of flyer, logo that you want. All I want from you now is to just pay very close attention so you don't miss any part of this video. You know I don't like too much talk. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Alright guys, so for you to do this, the first thing that you need to do is to head over to your Cloud AI. Okay, so just come to your browser and search for Cloud AI. Okay, this particular site, go ahead and click it and log in. As a new beginner, they are going to ask you to sign up. You just have to go ahead and sign up using your Google account. Okay, so now I just sign up and this is how the interface look like. As you can see, and you can, if you look at the left hand side, you are going to see all this icon. You're going to see new chart, search, you are going to see, and then project and some other links, like code. Also there are a lot of things there, okay, which you can select from. Okay, but for the purpose of this video, we want to create a design, right, using Cloud. But you need to pay very close attention. Like I tell you, Cloud is mainly a text AI model. Okay, is a text AI model. So Cloud will only help you to write a detailed prompt to get a better design. I'm going to show you where you are going to generate that design from. Your purpose here is to get your prompt, which I'm going to show you how to get the prompt to get that design, that perfect design that you want. And also Cloud is very good when it comes to code, okay, and also for video editing. So you just have to pay very close attention. Okay, for the purpose of this video, we want to create a design, right? So what you need to do now is to go ahead and write a detailed description of the kind of design that you want to create. You must not be that detailed, and you are not a prompt engineer, right? So what you need to do now, you need to put something in order for you to get the prompts that you want. And how do you do that? For example, I want to create a design of a restaurant, right? I can picture it the way I want it to be, the color, the placement. You just have to go ahead and describe it in detail to Cloud. Okay, you can picture it, you can imagine it. Just go ahead, the way you are going to tell someone, if someone wants to create that design for you, you are going to explain the way you want it to the person, to the designer. Go ahead and explain it exactly to Cloud, and then tell Cloud to act as your prompt engineer and write a detailed prompt to get a better result. That is what I'm going to do now. Pay very close attention to what I'm typing. All right, so see what I type. I say create a premium Nigeria food flyer. Like, this is the way I picture it. This is the way I imagine it. So what I just did now is not actually a prompt. It's just a description of what I want. Now I'm going to tell Cloud to act as my prompt engineer and optimize this prompt to get a better result. Okay, see what I'm going to type. All right, as you can see, I tell it to act as my prompt engineer and optimize this prompt to get a better result. So that is what I'm trying to tell Cloud. So what I need to do now is to go ahead and hit OK. So now let's watch and see as Cloud is going to optimize this our prompt to get a better result. And within few seconds, Cloud was able to give me a detailed design prompt. So what I need to do now is to copy this prompt and then head over to where I'm going to be generating the design. Okay, to generate my design, I'm going to be making use of Google Nano Banana Pro, and I'm accessing my Google Nano Banana Pro from Flow. Yes, and it is absolutely free here. So come here, put it on image, and then go ahead and select the aspect ratio and also the output per prompt. Okay, for the purpose of this video, I'm leaving it on 9:16, that is vertical. and then go ahead and paste the prompt, and then go ahead and hit OK. So now let's watch and see what we are going to get from Flow. All right, so our design has been created. As you can see, take a look at it. Okay, so this is top notch. This is what we want. We got it right. Look at it. Okay, you see, so this is the first one. Click this drop down arrow to download. Okay, when you click it, you are going to see 2K resolution, and then download, and it will upscale and be downloaded to your computer successfully. Okay, so that is it. And then look at the second one. As you can see, this is top notch. Look at the placement, the quality of the design, like everything is top notch. This is what we want, and we got it right. I really like the way everything just go. Okay, so you just have to go ahead and click the drop down arrow, 2K, and then to start upscaling, and then after upscaling to be downloaded into your gallery successfully. Like, guy, this is top notch. Like, I like the quality of the design, everything just go very well. This is what I want, and I got it right. So imagine giving this kind of work to a graphic design. You are going to pay a whole lot of work, and I was able to do this for absolutely free within few seconds. Like, it doesn't even take like, if I really want to do this without lecturing, it's not going to take more than 5 minutes. Okay, and I did everything for absolutely free. All right, so now what if you want your photo, your image to be there? How do you go about that? Maybe you are creating this kind of flyer and then you want to be there, maybe a birthday flyer or a promotional flyer. How do you do it that your image or your client image is going to be there? So now let me show you how to do that. Well, to do that is the same method. Come back here to your cloud, same process. Like, go ahead and describe the way you want the design to be, the way you picture it, the way you imagine it. That is the same way we did on the first one. Okay, and then Cloud is going to give you a prompt. Then copy the prompt, come back here to your Google Nano Banana, and then click this plus icon. Okay, so click the plus icon. When you click it, click upload image, and then go ahead and bring in the image that you want to use on the design. Okay, so I'll just have to go ahead and select the image and click open, and then the image will be uploaded. Okay, and then go ahead and then paste the prompt and hit OK. So now let's watch and see what we are going to get from Google Nano Banana Pro. All right, and our design has been generated. Take a look at it. Okay, wow, guys, this is top notch. And the good part, my face do not change at all. Look at that. Look at the two. Now this is the first one. Take a look at it. Okay, guys, this is top notch. I like the color, the placement, the quality. Wow, click the drop down arrow 2K to download this first one if you prefer that, and then look at the second one. You see, take a look at it. Wow, guys, this is top notch. This is what we want. You got it right. I just like the way it not showing the face of the character. Okay, and this is how you can actually create any design for your client or for yourself. If it is birthday flyer, this is the same method that you are going to use to create the flyer. Okay, and if it is promotional flyer that you want to do, you can, and you want to use image, you can go ahead and upload the image. Even if it is 2-3 people, you can click this plus icon again to bring in more. Okay, and this is basically how you can actually create your design using Cloud. Okay, a quick one. Do you want to learn how to do everything with AI? How to create any type of realistic AI video? How to create a chatbot using AI? How to create a responsive website using AI? How to create any type of flyer or logo using AI? Facebook adverts, prompt engineering, and so many more, then I highly recommend you to join our academy today. On our academy, we have over 10 modules, and each of the modules come with its own lesson, as you can see. So if you are interested, join our academy to learn everything today. So just click the link at the description of this video, and you are going to see a link to our academy. Join our academy today. And this is basically how to use Claude AI to create any type of flyer or logo that you need. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't just go. Make sure to tell me something nice at the comment section, and also give me a thumbs up and turn on your notification bell for more AI video like this. I'm Big JohnAb, as per usual friend. Hand to head, salute, bye.